I'm gonna have to wait for Monday to burn this, because it looks like I'm not getting out of the house until then. Why? Because I got busted looking for a match. "What are you stealing now, girl?" Mrs. Bender asked when she saw me looking through a kitchen cupboard. Then she yanked me back by my hair until I was looking up at the ceiling. I hate when she does that. It makes me want to cut my hair short. But I did that when I ran away from the Fisks and my neck was cold the whole time. Big deal, huh? It's just your neck, right? Wrong. When your neck's cold, so's the rest of you. Try sleeping outside sometime with everything covered but your neck. It makes your whole body shivering cold. So I've got hair that covers my neck, but the trade-off is that now I've got to put up with people like Mrs. Bender grabbing it and steering me around. And while she had me looking at the ceiling, you know what saintly Mrs. Bender did? She called, "Howie!" across the house at Mr. Bender. "This girl's ransacking our cupboards!" "I wasn't ransacking," I croaked. "I was just looking for a toothpick." What's the harm in taking a toothpick, right? But she pulled harder on the fistful of hair and said, "And you think stealing our toothpicks is okay?" "I wasn't stealing them," I gasped. "I just need one. There's some floss. Can I have some floss? I have food stuck between my teeth." It was a pretty good lie, don't you think? And I sounded pretty convincing too, but she just shouted, "Howie, I told you, this girl's a thief!" So see, I use drugs and I'm a thief. Then Mr. Bender came into the kitchen saying, "I just checked my wallet, there's $50 missing." Then they searched my stuff again, stripped me down again, called me a thief and a liar and a bad girl again, which is why I'm in lockdown for the rest of the weekend. Again.